Good morning, students. This is your RC sir. Today we are going to discuss Board of Intermediate of Telangana given clear instructions for 2026 and 27 year. A great shift in DGBAE press release details I am going to explain. See here. So Telangana Board of Intermediate Education has announced major reforms intermediate education from 2026 to 27 means next academic year. Okay, what are the main important? We'll discuss one by one. Clear? So before going to this video, please subscribe my channel at the rate RJP25. My YouTube channel is our chemistry, that is Mana chemistry in Telugu and also English. You can also explain it in Hindi. Clear? So see this one by one. First one is see Telangana Board of Intermediate Education press release. That is recently Telangana Board of Intermediate Education has undertaken following reforms. That is first one is that TGBAE issued admission notification. So that is 11/5/2026. Clear? Admission into junior college commenced from 12/5/2026. So admissions are started. So clear. So this is the main important second point is the TGBAE has taken the following reforms. What is the first one? Sciences, physics, chemistry, botany, and zoology. So practical exams restructured as 15 marks in first year practicals and 15 marks in second year. Previously, we have 30 marks in only second year practical, but now it is split into first year and also second year. So, but theory exams, public examination conducted 60 marks as it is. So, okay, chemistry and physics, botany, only no change, but practical marks are split into first year and second year. This is very important shift. Okay, clear. Next one, mathematics. So here activity based learning, that is called EBL, for internal assessment for the mass A and mass B. Okay, 15 marks for first year and 15 marks for second year, that is mass A and mass B. Combinedly we have 15 marks in first year, 15 marks in second year, previously not there. This is a major shift. Okay, now theory intermediate public examination conducted as 60 marks. Previously we have 75 marks, but now this year onwards we have only 60 marks. Don't forget this. Previously no practical examination, but here mass also we have here activity based learning. That for internal assessment we have 15 marks. First year 15 marks, second year for both mass A and mass B. Clear? And will for languages. So implementation of 20 marks. Right now we have in English. Okay, activity based learning, that is ABL, that is general assessment. Still we have this year also and previous year also, and it is continued. So theory 80 marks, same as it is. There is no change. Actually, it is introduced past 2 years onwards. Okay, so that is here main important shift for Board of Intermediate Examination for 2026 and 27. Clear, students? That is the main shift. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. I will give you major updates, whatever going on in a daily routine. Clear? Thank you very much. Thank you for subscribing and also watching my channel. Thank you.